Hi, Brooke. Hi. Hi. What's wrong, honey? What's wrong, sweetheart?
Nothing.
Why the sad face? Because you want to smell my feet?
No.
Oh, is it the left foot you want to smell?
No.
Well, then why are you so sad?
Because I don't want you to wipe the clothes because I wiped it off with my hands.
Oh, I was wondering where that milk went. Maybe you should smell my feet.
Stop.
Maybe you should smell my feet. What's in there? Do you want to smell my feet?
Ew. No.
Maddie, smell my feet. Oh. Smell them. You're smelling them.
Mommy,
Don't eat me. That's not nice.
smell it.
You want to smell my feet?
Yeah.
Ready? Maddie, smell my feet. This one. He wants to smell this one, he says. The other one.
This one, please.
Maddie, smell my feet.
Let me smell this one, please.
Smell it.
Can I smell that?
Smell it.
Can I smell it?
Smell it.
Can I smell it?
Ow!
Can I smell
Here,
this
smell
one?
this one.
Okay. Yeah.